Hello everyone, day 6 of the van experiment. So I didn't get too much done tonight. Tried to take it a little easy. I've been rushing to get this and it's been taking its toll, so I relaxed a little bit after work before I started working on this, but I probably couldn't have gotten much more work done. As you can see, I'm pretty much using all of my resources for propping up to make sure the insulation is nice and firm against the wall while it dries. So even if I tried to do one more, I wouldn't have had the materials to keep it up. So, by the way, I got the last 2 panels here on the left and right side, as you can see there. And also got one of the panels. I noticed that, bring my light here so you can see a little bit more. I noticed that some of the top panels, so I had to cut these ones short because they were too long. But if I put 2 of the top panels together, I can actually cover more than half of that space right there that I need to cover. So I got one of them up, but again I didn't have anything to prop up the second one, so I'll do that tomorrow and probably cut up 2 of the other tops there to fill in that spot right there above it. And then again I'll be leaving this part open for the fan once I get around to doing that, which will hopefully be sometime next week. And then I need to figure out how to do a small strip here, and then figure out how to, there's got to be some way I can insulate that door. I have a few ideas, but don't have the resources yet to take care of that. So this is where I stand. So tomorrow, hopefully, I'll be doing just that last panel there, and then all of the floor. I should have enough to be able to do those. That would be basically 5 or 6 panels. So 4 on the bottom and 1 or 2 on the side. Yeah, so still a little bit further behind than I would like to be, but hopefully once I get the initial installation up, then everything else should be relatively easier because I won't be working with the same adhesive, so I won't have to worry about that whole bonding time, and I'll be able to get through some things a little quicker. I still am trying to figure out what to do with this space right up here above these. So those 3 things are lights on the front and outside. Yeah, I need to see what I can figure out to do about that. And I'm not going to worry about the roof until I get the solar panels on. So that will hopefully also be next week, is once I can get the solar panels and the wiring inside, then I can throw some insulation up there. So, yeah, I think that's about it. So thanks again for everyone's support and excitement, and I don't know, time's ticking. We'll see how far I get. Everyone have a good night.